Welcome to the SECMENDO self-service tutorial videos. In this video series, you will get to know every single tile in SECMENDO self-service 3.0. At the end of the series, you will know how your employees and executives can operate SECMENDO self-service and how easy it is to apply for and manage authorizations yourself with user-friendly self-services. If you want to get an overview of SECMENDO self-service first, click on the small I button in the top right corner or on the first link in the video description. Now let's start with the SECMENDO self-service 3.0 start window. Here you can see all the tiles divided into three sections: self-services, requests and administration. In this video we will have a look at our own profile first. You can call up your own profile by clicking on the small arrow next to your name. A drop-down menu appears here. Click on View Own Profile. Now your profile appears with all your personal data, such as your name, your email address and your telephone number. Clicking on the Organization tab scrolls the window further down to the Organizations section. Here you can see who is registered as a manager and in which organizational unit they belong. Clicking the Assignments tab takes you to a list of your current permissions. Here you see the respective role name you own and the corresponding ID number. You can also use the search field to filter for specific roles. You can also read the validity date of the respective role here, and with a click on the assignment history you can see on which date and who processed the application for the respective authorization. If you scroll further down, you will find a similar list with the respective roles assigned to you. You can also see by whom and when these applications have been processed by clicking on the assignment history. You can also call up your profile by using the My Contact and My Roles and Permissions tiles. And that brings us to the end of our first tutorial video from SECMENDO self-service. The next video is about how to make an application for permissions and roles and how to approve or reject this application from the perspective of an administrator. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, I would be very happy about a positive review. Please visit the SECMENDO page if you want more information about SECMENDO. And otherwise, we'll meet again at the next SECMENDO tutorial video. Goodbye, see you soon.